Okay. So a bird got inside the house. It's right there on top of the thing. Oh my God. All right, it goes over there. But we're gonna open this door so it has the light. But then we're gonna turn off these lights in hopes of it going towards the light. Got scared, make it move. Go towards the light, go towards the light, go towards the light, go towards the light. It's not going towards the light, bro. You're a stupid bird. You're a stupid bird. Okay, somewhere over here. Coronavirus, bro. We're just like... It's somewhere over here, bro. Oh God, where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Hey, y'all. No. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Okay, it's gone. I think it's somewhere out here. I think. Oh, my God, I hope.